These are the animals that celebrated too early and instantly paid the price. Number 10. This wild dog made the terrible mistake of attacking a wildebeest 5 times its size, like it thought dinner was free. But instead of getting a meal, it ended up in a crocodile's jaws. You really need to know who not to mess with. Champ. Number 9. A buffalo had more confidence than a politician on election day, chasing down a predator that was already backing off, but nature humbles fast, and one bad trip was all it took for that confidence to collapse. That is why you never celebrate too early. Number 8. 2 wolves are fighting over the same prey, and somehow the squirrel in the middle is having the worst day imaginable. Meanwhile, I am out here complaining about politicians, while this little guy is fighting for his entire existence. Number 7. A ram charges in to headbutt another ram with full confidence, but the other one stands there like a concrete wall ready to deliver a reality check. One hit later, the ram drops to the ground, twitching like a glitching video game. Clearly he had a plan until he met a skull built like a tank. What a beast. Number 6. A man on a bicycle wanted to prove he feared no lions, so he rode straight toward them, putting himself directly in their path and somehow managed to make it through and escape. Not recommended. Number 5. This deer tried jumping a fence at full speed like it had more confidence than a politician on election day, but right as it leaped, its foot clipped the fence and it crashed straight into a tree, and in 1 second all that confidence got humbled instantly. Number 4. A lion tried pulling off a sneaky backstab like a politician making a shady deal, but forgot the target came with backup. The boyfriend buffalo charged in like a 1-ton wrecking ball and sent that cat straight into early retirement, proving some targets are not easy. Number 3. Nature is cruel, but bad luck is even worse, because this mother duck wandered too close to a storm drain, and one by one her ducklings vanished like the worst magic trick ever. No mercy, not even for the little ones. Number 2. And just when you think nature cannot get any colder, this wasp pulls up and starts attacking a mouse like it is collecting unpaid taxes, and even when the mouse looks completely finished, it suddenly gets back up like a politician caught in 4K, still trying to fight back because in the animal kingdom, even death barely gets a timeout. Number 1. This lion had less awareness than a politician at a press conference and got caught in a death grip by a massive python, but its squad pulled up like bodyguards ready to throw hands, and the snake realized it was outnumbered and left faster than a politician dodging a hard question.